Hey, everybody. It is Shopping on Q Day. I hate that light. I don't think there's much we can do about it. Apparently, the builders thought that they should put a light right here so that you could actually see things. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy 35th Cooking on Q Anniversary Day. Is that amazing? It's the spring cook event, which we look forward to all year round. We have January cook events, March cook events. We affectionately like to call them our Super Bowl because we are on pretty much nonstop. So I don't know if you guys checked out our today's bonus buy that Lisa was sharing yesterday on QVC2. Hey, Tina. Hi, Kim. Margie, I'm pretty sure you checked it out because wow, was it popular. So many sold. White Woodland already sold out. Super duper limited in all the other colors, so you can definitely check that out. But this weekend is all about sale pricing, 5 easy pays, and new. Let me say hi to Margie, Monica. Hi, Margie, I'm Tara. I know Lisa and I look exactly the same, and she was on all day yesterday. So Isabel saying hi, Pat saying hi, Lynn saying hi, Julie, Marianne. It was very funny. One of the other guests threw to Lisa, or Lisa threw to him, and he was like, "Thank you so much, Tara." She was like, "You know what? We're interchangeable. What can I tell you?" Cindy's jumping on. Teresa's here. Maria's here. Do we have a mug? Oh, that's the old set. Okay. Ask if you could. Yeah. We are just getting ready for the show, so I am trying to do 2 things at once, which, you know, women like to say we can multitask, but I'm not quite sure. Hey, everyone. Hi, Kathleen. All right, so here's the scoop. We have a 3-hour show tonight, you guys. And I think there's 12 or 13 brand new items in the 3 hours. It is like insane. I am so excited to share all of it with you. And one of the items that's going to be in the show is our dinnerware. It's a big deal. So our dinnerware has been wildly popular. This set in particular. Oh, hello, yellow. Look at that gorgeous yellow floral lace. It's a big deal. It's under $50. This is the most affordable dinnerware in Old World floral lace. And yes, Woodland, brand new today, that we have ever done. $3.12 a plate, a salad plate, a bowl, a mug. Like, this is Banana Town crazy, as David likes to say. So I wanted to give you guys the heads up on it. The shipping and handling has been reduced to $3.50 from $7.50. So literally, I will tell you, I went on this morning and ordered 3 white Woodland sets, and it was amazing. It was affordable, and now I have service for 12, which is fantastic. So Woodland is brand new. It's what you guys have been asking for. Hey, everybody, the item number, real quick, because it is available, and I don't want you to miss out on it, especially the Woodland. I'm just fair warning, we could not get as much as we hoped in for the show today. So H221026, I kind of have a feeling it might sell out in David's show. So we're going to be on in David's show with the dinnerware at around 1:22 Eastern time. And then take a break, do our stretches, get ready for 3 hours with Alberti. And can we just, like, I said I wasn't going to show sneak peeks, but I designed this amazing picture and I couldn't be more proud of it. Look at our sweet little bunny holding, of course, the watering can. And yep, that's the pour spout. So I started designing these limited edition pieces this time last year. They completely sold out, and they're kind of like a one and done. I do them. I don't anticipate bringing them back again. They're truly these collectible special pieces, but nothing new is available until 9 p.m. tonight. And then rumor has it that even some of the new in the show is not going to be priced until that hour. So, like, I think there's a lot of new in the 11 p.m. hour that won't be priced until 11 p.m. So hopefully you're ready to shop with us and just hang, because we have so many new items, things you've been asking for, things you've been looking for. I'm not even reading your comments because I'm so excited my head might pop off. Is Sheila saying hey? Mary saying hey? Yes. So 3 hours, first of all, 3 hours of Alberti. Sign me up. I don't care if he's talking Temptations or not. Love that guy. He calls us the Donnie and Marie. The Donnie and Marie of the kitchen. Hopefully no one sings. Well, he could probably sing. And, oh yes, did you know that? He does sing. Never mind. Woo, moving on. All right, so here's the scoop. We're gonna let you know ahead of time before the 9 p.m. What we have coming up. And you are an angel. Thank you. I have the most amazing team here. Would love to say that I could just whip all this up together, but incredible team of Steph, Chris, Kevin. You guys know Lisa. We have Tony at the studios. Like, woo, well-oiled machine. I wanted to show you in buttercream. We're celebrating Hello Yellow, bringing back the yellow for our 20th anniversary, which is amazing. And so we did buttercream in the woodland. So we have white, we have slate gray, we have slate blue, hello Tara, we have taupe, and brand new buttercream. But let me show you, because although it's being offered with this same dinnerware, I design it to take on the pattern, you guys. So beautiful plate that you see there with that wide rim, nesting that salad or dessert plate right on top. That's the full woodland pattern that you see there. This buttercream is to die for, you guys. This buttercream is so beautiful. Mix this in with the slate blue. Mind blown. Nice kind of wide rimmed bowl that you see there. Again, this pattern just takes on so many different looks. And then look at that beautiful pedestal with the oversized mug. We did this in Winter Woodland where we had the little cardinal. You guys absolutely loved the silhouette, so I thought it would be sweet to bring it back. So there's your woodland, just so you can see all the pieces. $3.12 a piece. Like, run, don't walk. I'm serious, you guys. This is why we do these little teases ahead of time, because I want you guys to be in the know, and I want you to get your colors before it goes crazy and, you know, opens up to 9 bajillion families. Is that a number, bajillion? 9 bajillion. So anyway, hi everybody. So good to see you guys. More white woodland dinnerware. Awesome. Yay, yay, yay. Well, today, crazy, because it is a big deal. Under $50 for 16 pieces of dinnerware. I don't think we've ever offered, unless it was like clearance and we were moving out of it. I don't think we've ever offered dinnerware this affordably. So super big story for David's show. So H221026. I will be on at around 1:25 Eastern time. And you'll be able to see everything, but you don't have to wait. So you can order it now, get your colors. Floral lace, old world, woodland. Can't wait. And then buckle up, buttercups, because we'll be back. Buttercups, see what I did? We'll be back for 3 hours from 9 to 12 with Alberti. And we'll give you guys a little sneak peek as we're getting things set up. Why my back is itching and I feel the need to itch it right now, I'm not sure. And last but not least, what? We'll give you a preview, we'll give you the item numbers and all that fun stuff. We may not be able to share the 11 p.m. with you. I'm not sure. I'm a mere, you know, person here trying to just figure it all out. Okay, you guys, so good to see you. Yes, Sherry said she needs another white woodland set. Awesome. Oh, great. You guys are so fabulous. Melissa, you ordered the buttercream woodland. I'll tell you what. Here's like a super vibrant yellow, and then there's your buttercream, like really soft, really beautiful hints of kind of that creamy white popping through. Stunning. Really, truly beautiful. All right, you guys, so see you around 1:22. And then for 3 big hours, finishing up the night, finishing up the 35th anniversary of Cooking on Q. This girl. With Lisa, with the team, with Alberti. Can't wait to see you guys. We'll check in with you ahead of time, okay? All right, take care. Have a great afternoon. See you at 1:22.